Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 questions for TGT PGT English literature and other English literature teaching exams as a practice at 23. So let's start. Question number 1. Poems and Ballads was written by Morris, Rossetti, Swinburne, Shelley. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Swinburne. Option C will be the right answer. Poems and Ballads. First series is the first collection of poems by Algernon Charles Swinburne, published in 1866. The book was instantly popular and equally controversial. Swinburne wrote about many taboo topics such as lesbianism, sadomasochism, and anti-theism. Next question. Choose the odd one. Hamlet, Tempest, Othello, King's Lear. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Tempest. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Faulkner wrote, For whom the bell tolls, Ulysses, The Sound and the Fury, none of the above. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be The Sound and the Fury. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Who said there is no essential difference between the language of prose and that of the metrical composition? Wordsworth, Keats, Eliot, Arnold. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Wordsworth. Option A will be the right answer. Wordsworth claims that there neither is nor can be an essential difference between the language of prose and metrical composition. 1502. Next question. Who has recently changed his her religion? M.R. Anand, Kamala Das, Nizam Askil, none of these. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Kamala Das. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. A long poem telling the story of the leader of the whole community, written in a narrative form and lofty style, is called drama, epic, short story, lyric. What will be correct answer? A long poem telling the story of the leader of the whole community, written in a narrative form and lofty style, is called epic. So the answer will be epic. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Autobiography means the life history of a man written by someone else, the life history of a man written by himself, the life history of a man as reflected in his writings, or the life history of a man created in painting by someone else. What will be correct answer? Autobiography means the life history of a man written by himself. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Thought is the application of ideas of life. These are the words of Arnold, Keats, Milton, Shelley. What will be correct answer? Thought is the application of ideas of life. These are the words of Arnold. So the answer will be option A. Next question. Preserve the purity and ascertain the meaning of our English idiom was a part of Samuel Johnson's preface to The Vanity of Human Wishes, Dictionary, Rossellas, preface of Shakespeare. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be The Vanity of Human Wishes. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Coleridge's Ancient Mariner is the good example of epic, elegy, ballad, sonnet. What will be correct answer? Coleridge's Ancient Mariner is the good example of ballad. Option C will be the right answer. So friends, I hope you enjoyed learning about 10 questions. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.